Namaste and welcome to day 2 of Mindful 30 journey. I am happy to see you again today and I'm looking forward to seeing you throughout this journey. Well, today's practice is about choice. We all have made choices in our life, in our favor, against our favor, and had realizations as per those choices that we have made. One of those choices of yours is to do this journey with me, and I'm grateful for that choice that you have made. So, this practice is going to be about choice, and let's see how we can dive into it. Yes, let's get started by sitting into a very comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and chest, observing and scanning your whole body from top to bottom, and trying to just connect with what you're feeling today, how you're feeling today. With that being aware, we're going to join our palms at heart center. We're going to start with creating that harmony that we spoke about with the chant. Let's do it together. Inhale. And gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. I really believe that everyone in our life that we are surrounded with is a choice. The energy that we hold is our own. We are the ruler of our own energy, and we have the potential to choose and let go of the things that do not serve us in the journey. So, that is what I want to encourage you. Take this practice and see how it helps you. Absorb what helps you in the journey. Let go of things that do not serve you in this process. It's not just about the mat, it's also about beyond the mat. Yes, with that, we're going to start today by lying down on our stomach. One of the important practices is conditioning our body and strengthening the areas that we need. As we have been lying down, sitting, we have different lifestyle, all of us. So we're just going to try to get our elbows under the shoulder. This is called Sphinx pose, half cobra, all right? From here, we're just going to stretch ourselves out, like pressing the palms down and pulling the chest ahead towards the palm. Yes, just this much. We have different postures when we sleep, we have different postures when we work. So, to all that, we're trying to find a balance for that practice today. Yes, getting a good strength in the body. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. From here, you're going to take your both elbows out, keep your chest down, and take your hands behind the head. Now, don't push the weight of your hands on the head, keep it just touching to your head. Exhale, release the head down. Inhale, lift up. Press your belly down and let it lift you higher. And exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale, slow and nice. Inhale. Exhale. Next 5, we're going to keep our arms straight. Yes, head up and inhale up. Just as much as your body is allowing, and release. Don't force, don't push. Just go with the breath. Yes. It's just the feeling like how you would do crunches. It's just on the back. Yes, for the strength of your spine, the powerhouse of your body, where everything is connected. Without our spine, we are nothing. We all know this, right? Last one, inhale. Exhale, release. Beautiful. One of the foundational practices. We're going to get our legs together and try to keep the knees together. Forehead down, hands down, and from here lift up both the legs. And down. Keep the legs together as much as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Try to keep your upper torso down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Try not to use your lower back in this. Engage your glutes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. All these practices can turn out to be boring for some of us, but just know, not everything in the life can be exciting and interesting. Our life cannot be shiny, glittery all the time. And the things that are important will not necessarily be always exciting. Yes? Slowly inhale and lift up both the chest and the legs and hands. Shalabhasan. Yes. Just like how we've been accustomed to brush our teeth in the morning. It's an activity that we don't think about. As a child, we feel very irritated and annoyed that we don't want to do brushing. We would run away from things that are put onto us like we are supposed to do. We always run away from those things. And same is with the practice. Once you think of it as your regular morning routine, it'll just become a part of your life. It's not a option, it'll just become a part of you. And slowly release. Whew. Like I said, it's about choices that we make in life. hmm Slowly inhale one last time, lift up in Shalabhasan. Foundation practice, people. I promise, as we keep going ahead with the further days, the practice gets exciting, fun, and you will still find the foundation, but with so much more interest and fun. It's important to set a good foundation and base, and which is why I'm keeping these foundational classes in the very start of the practice, start of the journey. And if you still choose to stay with me, then you will eventually come across the fun bit also. Yes, this is also fun if you take it in that way. It's super fun for me. Inhale up, and release. Whew. Just breathe. Slowly push your arms to the floor and come up. You know what is more important? So, our skull is the heaviest part of the body. We all know that, right? And which is more of the reason that we should give more amount of attention to our neck, because that is what is holding up onto the skull. Yes, for that, let's do strengthening practice together. You're going to take your right hand and push into the right side of your skull, and you're going to resist from your head. Keep the head straight and just resist from it. Keep the shoulders relaxed and breathe. 10, resist. 9, 8, 7, harder. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Try to keep every neck muscle relaxed and just work in isolation with that particular muscle. Yes. Other side, shoulders relax. Push, 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 push. If you have any neck pain, neck stiffness, just try to avoid it that day. Resting is the best way out from it, and then slowly developing that strength through these strengthening isolation practices can do wonders for you. Yes. Highly ignored places but need the most amount of attention. Slowly push. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Good. Let's do the same thing on the back. Resist, chin parallel to the floor, and breathe. 10, 9, resist more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, little more. 3, 2, and 1. Release. From the front, push and resist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Just shake your head to the left, to the right. This is a practice that I suggest every human being, whatever your age is, doesn't matter. You should add this to your regular practice. It's very important. Which is why I'm introducing you this practice in the very start, so you can adapt this before going to bed, after waking up, your choice. Now up and down. Yes. Take a good circle. And reverse the circle. And release. Good. One of the other important things in our body that we don't do a lot often in our daily lifestyle is twist, which is what I want to introduce you to again in the start of the practice. So twist, you're going to sit on your hips, take your right knee to your chest and take your left leg under. Yes, like that. Your right hips comes up and your left hip is fully down. Yes, take it in. From here, drop your both hips down, keep your right hand down, and take your left hand up. Make space, push the knee away, lengthen the body, and now twist and see how further back can you go. Yes, now bend the elbow and add more resistance. Fight from your knee. Your hand is pushing to your thighs and your thighs is pushing to your hands. Resistance, the same way you did for your head. And that will help you twist more and more. Yes, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now stay here and now just listen to me. Every time you inhale, just think of lengthening the spine. Inhale. And every time you exhale, just let the body surrender into the twist a little bit more. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Last one. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, twist. Slowly, very slowly unwind. Yes, carefully. And same thing on the other side. Switch legs. Both the hips down. Left hand down. Lengthen the body first. Push the knee away from you. And now make space to twist your stomach out of the way. Bend the elbows. And just let it turn you back. First go with your natural twist. And resist from your hands to the knees. Thighs is also fighting back. Now from your inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release even back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, release. Slowly unwind. Very slowly. Release. Good. We worked on our neck work, neck strengthening. We work on our back strengthening. We worked on the twist. Let's put a little attention to the legs also now. Okay? From here, you're just going to take your left leg straight, right heel to your groin. Yes. Now your body is facing to the side, not to the leg. To the side. And just let your hands go forward. Little bit, not a lot. Relax your shoulders. Relax your head. If your elbow, one of the elbow also is ready to drop, drop it. If the other elbow is ready to drop, let it go. If not, just stay on your palms and breathe. Both the hips are on the floor. Left leg is to the side of the mat. Right leg is to the front of the mat. And your body is to the diagonal corner. Slowly inhale, come up. Now you're going to face your hips towards the left leg and go down. Slide ahead with the hands and breathe. Just as much as you can. No forcing, no pushing, no pulling. Now inhale with me. Exhale with me. Inhale. I choose myself today. I choose my happiness. And I choose to prioritize myself. My health is my utmost priority. My happiness is my utmost priority. I am my biggest priority. And slowly come up. That is beautiful. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So first, face towards the other side of the mat and straighten the right leg towards the side of the mat. Left heel to your groin and go to the diagonal corner. Release your head and breathe. Go to the place where you can breathe, where you can stay. Don't force or pull or push or stretch. Stay at a place where you can breathe. Breathing is utmost priority. Both the hips grounded on the floor. Slowly come up. That was really good. From the face to the leg. Rotate your left hip ahead and just go down. Making choices requires a lot of decision making process, and decisions are not easy. It's never going to be easy in life where something important is going to be ahead of you. So just know you have to take a good deep breath and breathe out and ask yourself what you really want. And whatever your heart and mind finds a comfort and balance towards, that's your choice. Inhale with me. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come up. Slowly get your legs together. And from here, lie down on the mat. Close your eyes. Switch your palms facing upwards. I'm going to try instilling this habit for you to relax and lie down after you're done with the practice. Make this habit to just lie down for 2 to 5 minutes at least after you're done with your practice. This gives you the time to restore, reconnect, and get started from scratch and take a head on to the day. So make sure you don't skip this practice. I'm going to leave you here with the expectation that you stay here for 2 to 5 minutes at least. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope to see you tomorrow.